This water was traveling 1.5 million gallons a second.
On a ride along the Guadalupe River, we got a first-hand look at the devastation.
Right here, we would have been way underwater.
Razor Dobbs is a volunteer for the Center Point Fire Department.
But I've never seen a flood with that much debris.
Oh, you look at all these old-growth trees just thrown around like twigs.
The Kerr County community is still reeling from catastrophic flash flooding on the 4th of July. The river rising more than 37 feet.
This tree right here.
With the flag?
Firefighters rescued a woman who managed to cling to this tree as the raging river raced below her.
She was up in this tree, you know, way up there, 35 feet.
While this team of volunteer firefighters was out rescuing people in dangerous conditions for more than 20 hours straight, their own fire station flooded.
7-8 feet of water came in here, but all of our gear, all of our computers, gone.
Members of the community coming together to help clean it out and get them up and running again.
In events like this, you really realize this is what America's about.
I'm seeing people that from all walks of life, shoulder to shoulder, trying to dig a car out of the sand.
This is a resilient place.
Very resilient. We can handle it.
The volunteer fire department's dedication and heroism is something Center Point resident Jackie White says she will always be grateful for.
They did save our life that day, for sure.
This single mom of 5 set to graduate from nursing school this month.
I went outside and there was a fire truck in our driveway and the fireman got out. He said, "Y'all need to go now."
Just minutes after evacuating, her home underwater. Clothing, furniture, everything gone.
If he wouldn't have came, I would not have left. I don't know who he was, but hopefully I find out one day.
In neighboring Hunt, Texas, the Hunt store has been distributing meals, supplies, and fuel to anyone in need, all for free.
I just couldn't imagine charging anybody for anything right now.
The store's owner, Haley Lehrman, has been working nonstop to aid the community she loves. But on the 4th of July, her general manager, who lived above the store, called her with horrifying news.
There's water at my apartment. It's the river. Scared to death of what was going on.
They were rescued from the roof, but her beloved store destroyed. For more than 100 years, the Hunt store has been the town's general store, restaurant, and gathering place. Despite the flood, it is still the heartbeat of this community.
Everybody kind of gathers there and hugs and cries and talks. It's been so good for my heart and I think a lot of the community.
The letters in the Hunt store sign, now rearranged, spelling Hunt Strong.
You're feeling, you know, not so strong. You look at Hunt Strong and it really helps. We have a lot of people that are behind us.
And in fact, we're here right now with Haley Lehrman. Haley, what keeps you going? Why did you do this?
My goodness, the people, our community, the love of the store. We need the store. It's our gathering spot, our hub of the community.
Kind of the heart of the community.
Yes.
Well, to keep that heart beating, we want to help you out. So we've got some friends here. First of all, PepsiCo's got a big old truck. They're going to open it up, boys. Let's go. Let's see what you got for us. They've got, for the Hunt store, 10,000 shelf-stable meals for you to serve you and your community.
Thank you.
And then from our friends at Lowe's, let's open that bad boy up. In that truck, they've got $25,000 worth of merchandise, generators, wheelbarrows, power tools, all you need to help the community rebuild. So thank you to PepsiCo and to our friends Lowe's, and thank you for all you guys are doing. Well, now we're also joined by a young lady you met a little earlier. We've got Jackie White here and her 5 kids. How you kids doing? Good. It's good to see you. Jackie, you know, you never got to thank the 2 firemen who are you credit with saving your life.
Yes.
What would you say to them?
I would say thank you very much for, for coming to our house
Well, you know what? Why don't I let you thank them in person? Guys, come on over here. Let's welcome Center Point volunteer firefighters Danny Smith and Donald Cool. Guys, thanks so much.
You bet.
Thank you so much.
What do you have to say to them?
Thank you so much for coming. Shake his hand.
There you go.
Tell him thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody want to be a firefighter when they grow up? There you go. Well, listen, we also really appreciate everything you guys have done. And I know, Jackie, the folks at Yeti know that you've lost a lot, almost everything. So they are going to give you a bundle of products, including chairs, coolers, food storage, backpacks, and more. And we've got a check for you for $10,000.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, this right here from the folks at Yeti.
Wow.
There you go. And we know you also lost all this stuff. So we want to bring in the people from JCPenney. They're here. They've got some backpacks for you. You know, school start next week, guys. You look pretty excited about that. But school's starting, so they've got clothes, and they've got a $5,000 gift card to help you also replace some of the stuff you lost. So thank you. And gentlemen, thank you so much for everything you've done. We really appreciate that. Now we're going to head over here. Let's we're going to meet some folks. The folks we met, Center Point volunteers. And we got my buddy Razor Dobbs here. Very good.
Hello.
And the Chief, Charles Holt. Chief,
hello, sir.
good to see you
Good
guys.
to see you.
Thank you so much. Bugs are a little rough here.
They are. They are.
You know, you guys have been working nonstop, tirelessly. All you. I mean, this is just the tip of the iceberg of all your volunteers. What has this meant to you? All the people and the people from not just this community, but from all across the country wanted to help.
The outreach of the people that have poured in to help us have been tremendous. All the love and prayers we've gotten in to help us, I mean, it's just incredible.
That's amazing. Well, we've also got some help here from our friends at Lowe's. Bill, come on in. What do you got? And we got James. What do you got for our friends here?
We got a check for $100,000.
Oh my God.
Oh, man. Thank y'all so much.
You know,
Oh my God.
What are you going to be able to do with that, Chief?
Man, it's finished getting all the gear and things that we need. We've lost everything out of our station, so that's tremendous. God bless y'all, and thank y'all so much.
Thank you
so much.
Guys, we want to thank everybody at Lowe's. Thank you.
Thank you
It's going to
so
because they've
much.
still
Thank y'all
got
so
work
much.
to do.
Thank y'all.
And so I now want to introduce you to Austin Dixon. He is the CEO of the Community Foundation of the Texas Hill Country. This is a local boots on the ground organization. And you guys, what's your mission?
Our mission is to make grants to nonprofits and the charitable sector and help our community just be a better place.
And when you do something like this, what is it? What kind of a drain is it on your resources?
Well, it's hard. So we opened our Kerr County Flood Relief Fund to raise money so we can make grants locally to respond to this disaster.
Yeah, well, you know, we want to help you out, but also our friends at Buc-ee's want to help you out. So come on down. What's your name, sir? Beaver. I love it. Just like your logo. We love it. What do you got for these fine folks?
We have a nice contribution for the Community Foundation here for all the victims.
That looks like a lot of zeros.
That is a lot of zeros.
It's $1 million.
Yes, sir.
$1 million, Austin.
Thank you.
That's
so much.
unbelievable. And I'm going to tell you, Beaver, this is the biggest single donation in the 23 years we've ever done Lend a Hand.
Really?
It really is. We really appreciate. What are you going to do with this, Austin?
We'll be able to put people back in their homes. We'll be able to help our first responders and help bring our community back.
Oh, that's
Absolutely.
amazing. Let's bring everybody. Come on, everybody, come on over. This is community. This is helping. This is what it's all about. And we know there's so much work still to do. And we don't want to forget there are still two folks who are missing. One of them, a little girl, Seal. And we want to know that those folks are remembered. And but we want you to also know we have not forgotten you. America has not forgotten you. So thank you so much for everything you all do, and to all of our friends who have out here. Guys, again, I'm just so proud to be just the tip of the spear of this, because we've got this crew. I want to bring this young lady over. Come here. Come here. Why don't you tell everybody what's your name?
My name's Bonnie.
Bonnie works at the Today Show.
Yeah.
And you grew up here.
I'm from Houston.
You're from Houston, but you went to the camps.
Yeah.
One of the camps that
I did. I went to Camp Waldemar. which was just up the river from here. So this segment it's really close to home. And I didn't know Al was going to put me on the spot like this.
Well,
I thought I could cry behind camera.
She's our secret weapon, because our producers, when they would try to call and people weren't answering, Bonnie's number was actually a Texas number, so they answered. Yeah. Guys, back to you.
Okay, you got us crying for so many. We love Bonnie. We know that she loves that community so much. And way to go. What a lend a hand. I think that was our biggest ever. So much good that you're doing there, Al. And your very presence is so sweet and is such a healer, too. So I'm so glad. Thank you for being there.
Well done. Well done.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC, or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.